Clash of Titans, Ford versus Chevrolet. Part 1. In the early 20th century, as the United States embraced the automobile age, two giants emerged as rivals in the automotive world: the Ford Motor Company and the Chevrolet Motor Company. Their competition would shape the future of the American auto industry, captivating the nation and setting the stage for a decades-long battle. Birth of the rivals. It all began in the early 1900s when Henry Ford, with his vision for affordable and accessible cars, founded the Ford Motor Company in 1903. The Model T, introduced in 1908, became an instant sensation and changed the way America traveled. But in 1911, a new challenger arose. Louis Chevrolet, a Swiss-born race car driver, and William C. Durant, the co-founder of General Motors, joined forces to create the Chevrolet Motor Company. Their goal was clear: to challenge Ford's dominance with a more diverse lineup of vehicles. The first encounters. In the 1910s, the Ford Model T reigned supreme, and Chevrolet's early offerings were relatively modest. However, Chevrolet quickly gained ground with its Chevrolet Series C Classic 6. It featured a six-cylinder engine, a rarity at the time, and gave consumers a more powerful alternative to the Model T's four-cylinder engine. Innovations and market strategies. The competition intensified in the 1920s. Ford countered with innovations like the electric starter and all-steel bodies, while Chevrolet introduced a variety of models to cater to different consumer preferences. It was a time when both companies recognized the need for a broader product range. Rivalry redefined. The 1930s brought Chevrolet's iconic bow tie emblem and continued efforts to innovate. In 1935, Chevrolet introduced the Suburban, a groundbreaking vehicle that would go on to become one of the longest-running models in automotive history. Ford, on the other hand, continued to refine the design and affordability of the Model A. As the 1930s came to a close, the rivalry between Ford and Chevrolet had redefined the American automotive landscape. Both companies had their loyal customers, with Ford known for its rugged simplicity and Chevrolet for its variety and style. But this was just the beginning of a saga that would see both giants push the boundaries of automotive engineering and marketing. In Part 2 of this story, we'll explore how the competition unfolded through the mid-20th century, the impact of World War II, and the muscle car era, setting the stage for a second chapter in this epic rivalry. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the clash of these titans, with innovations, challenges, and a rivalry that has left an indelible mark on the history of American automobiles.